How to buy MELP Super Meme token. Now this token came under the symbol of MELP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check this Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 8,000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. This token trending number 3 in the base section, as you can see. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address, open your WEEX wallet for that, go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here, as you can see. Now after that, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token to just add called MELP. So after you find what you need to do, just click on it and click on swap, switch from here from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. And after that, it is that simple. Click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a MELP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.